Hi children, how are you? Welcome to our EVS class. Children, now it's time for prayer. All of you close your eyes. Let's start. Asatoma Shatkamaya Tamasoma Jyotirkamaya Mrityoma Amadam Kamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Children, slowly open your eyes. Children, today we are moving to see a new concept. Before moving to the session, shall we do our energizer? That is Simon Says. Children, listen. First, I will give you the instructions. You should listen and follow. Children, if I ask you to do any action along with the word Simon Says, you should do that, or else you should not follow the instructions. For example, if I say Simon Says, stand up, you have to stand up, or else you need not to stand up. Children, are you clear with the instructions? Let's start. Simon Says, stand up. Sit down. Simon Says, sit down. Clap your hands. Simon Says, clap your hand. Simon Says, touch your head. Touch your eyes. Simon Says, touch your hand. Super children. Children, in last class we recalled about concept of living things and non-living things, you know. Children, once again shall we recall the concept of living things and non-living things? Now let us look at difference between living things and non-living things. Okay children, living things. Living things grow. Non-living things do not grow. Living things breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things need food. Non-living things do not eat food. Living things move. Non-living things do not move. Living things feel. Non-living things do not feel. Living things reproduce. Non-living things do not reproduce. Children, now in this class we will do the worksheet. Let's start. First question. Do question number 2, 3, page number 6 in workbook. The question is, write T for true or F for false. Children, if the sentences is correct, write T for true or F for false. And then next question, write down the names of any two living things and non-living things around you. Children, listen the question. Write down the names of any two living things and non-living things around you. Children, one more question for you. Question number 6. Do question number 6, page number 8 in workbook. The question is, identify natural and man-made things from the pictures given below. Classify them in the given table. Children, listen. Identify natural and man-made things from the pictures given below. Classify them in the given table. Next question. Do page number 10 in workbook. Do page number 10 in workbook. MCQ question, children. Choose the correct option. First question. A mountain is a dash and a non-living thing. Option A is natural, B is man-made, C is living. A mountain is a dash and a non-living thing. Second question. Living things dash. Option A, have feelings. Option B, do not grow. Option C, do not need shelter. Question number 3. A dash is a living thing. A, book. B, chair. C, dog. Fourth question. Dash do not have babies. Option A, living things. Option B, non-living things. Option C, both living and non-living things. And then fifth question, non-living things dash. Option A, do not grow. Option B, grow. Option C, breathe. Non-living things dash. Option A, do not grow. Option B, grow. Option C, breathe. Children, now let us look at application part. Now let us look at the application part. Children, in last session, I sent a recorded voice message about observing the toy plant and a real plant. Have you finished that? And keep it ready. Children, observe and compare both plants, toy plant and real plant. Children, whether it will breathe, grow, eat, alive and react or not. Children, did the potted plant got any leaf? Children, now I am going to say another example. Whether toy fish will eat? Yes, will not eat. Children, whether toy fish will grow? Yes, will not grow. Children, whether goldfish eat food? Yes, goldfish will eat. Children, whether goldfish will grow? Yes, goldfish will grow. Super, children. Do application part, page number 11, 12 in workbook. And then do page number 13 or 14 in workbook. Children, this is your creative part, children. What you have to do means, make a drawing showing any one use of water. Make a drawing showing any one use of water. Do page number 13 or 14 in workbook. Children, do you all clear about the concept of living, non-living things and worksheet? Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. We will meet you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected, keep learning. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching.